What makes Progressive Salad Spinner special is its ability to collapse and use half the storage space. And like so many Progressive products, there's something extra built into the design. The collapsible salad spinner can wash and dry vegetables or fruit in one easy step. And you can use the outer container as an attractive serving bowl. Let me show you how easy it is to use. In the collapsed position, flip the knob upright to remove the lid. Then remove the interior basket. Expand the basket and the bowl separately, and then insert the basket into the bowl. Use the basket as a colander to wash your salad ingredients, vegetables, or fruit. Place the lid on top and rotate the upright handle in either direction to spin your items dry. The ability to spin in either direction can actually dry your lettuce quicker and more thoroughly. To stop the basket from spinning, just press your fingers in on the flexible part of the bowl. That's it.
Tekapel Smart Solutions, introducing our collapsible food containers. Tired of searching for the right lid? Of warped containers that just won't cooperate? Tekapel collapsible containers save space and organize your life all at once. Our containers are designed to be stored collapsed with the color-coded lids attached so they don't take up space. Made of high-quality, BPA-free silicone with an airtight seal that keeps your food crisp and fresh.
Now, these collapsible storage bowls have brought a sense of decorum to my kitchen. They are packaged in a set of three different sizes with lids that seal in freshness. 1.5 cup, 3 cups, and 5 cups, and they all collapse, taking up much less storage space. And not only are they nice looking, these sturdy bowls are great for reheating in the microwave, storing in the freezer, and washing up in the dishwasher. And when you're using them in the microwave, the bowls don't get too hot to handle. These bowls have lots of uses.
This item makes it easy to take food anywhere. It starts off compact, but the container expands, giving you room for your favorite food. The container is even microwave safe, so it's perfect for reheating leftovers. The lid also has a built-in fork and spoon, so you have everything you need to eat in one place. When done, the container collapses so you can store without taking up too much room. The container is even top rack dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. It's also available in a variety of colors, and your price includes a one-color imprint on the bottom left corner